What is up again? I got some Crown Zenith mini tins here that I was able to find at Walmart a little while back, and I've been seeing some Crown Zenith stuff pop up, so I wanted to open them. Finally get these promo cards. I have this Moltres one, but I would like to have all of them. So let's tear into this and see if we can't get anything gold. Alright, we got these open. So I was thinking we'd start with the Zapdos. Get rolling on that Zapdos first, and then we'll go from there. But a nice promo card. I'm a big promo guy, I found out recently. Really enjoy my promo cards. And then the QR for anybody who needs it. And then just do that. Boom. But then we'll just move this stuff back for now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs in each. So a total of 15 packs for Crown Zenith. Obviously, the pull we're looking for is the Gold Tina for multiple reasons. The value, the art, the saying I have it to a buddy who wants it. All those things add up to why I would really love to pull the Tina the most. After that, probably Dialga, would be the one that I want. But without further ado, let's get rolling into here. QR code for whoever wants it. Oh yeah, I guess that these don't have a back, so whatever. Or a signifying thing. 3, 4. Flip it. And now we're rolling. We got some friends. No, we don't. We got a stinking lizard. Ooh! This is why people love it. Alright. And then a normal hollow. Look at that. First pack providing a nice, beautiful card. DNC. Galarian Gallery. Numero uno. Hollow pile. Pack number 2. Let's see if it keeps providing. Then we got trainer. 1, 2, 3. And it's going to be a leaf energy. It's water. It was not leaf, unfortunately. Bidoof. Diddler. Sunkern. Ooh, Radiant Charge-a-Bug. Ooh, Zorua V. Twofer. Double. Double it and give it to the next person. Doublade and give it to the next person. That's so sad. Bad joke. Oh, Discord. Something's popping off. 1, 2, 3. And then we have Fire. Okay, it's Psychic. Ultra Ball. Friends. Don't have those. Vacuum. Definitely need one. Love Disc. Chatot. Yanma. Ponyard. Diddler Reverse. And to a non-hollow. Alright. It started off hot. Started off real hot. We're slowing down a little bit. But then, hey. That's because we can't be all go all the time. We gotta give them a reprieve sometimes. Let them calm down. So that, oh hey, Fire. I was gonna say that. So that we're not just, I don't know, I'm trying to make up some bullshit. Some grade A bullshit, but it's not working out in my head. Ooh, Mareep. Hey, not too bad. Nice little Galarian Gallery again. Last pack of the first box. Hopefully, we're not getting just Galarian Galleries. We're getting a little bit more. And if we are going to get a gallery, let's make it worth it, alright? Zenith, you got so much hype, you got so much love. Let's make it count. Alright, fighting chance. Got a giraffe. Crocodile. Baron Trump. Executor Rockruff. Zamazenta. Into a actual Trump. Okay. Get cooking into the next one where we got the beautiful Articuno. I love the way that this card looks. It just looks great. card for anybody who uses that. Alright, all that garbage out of here. Starting on that little hit pile. And pack number 1. Oops, that ripped real easy. The Articuno box. Get that out of here. Get that one out of here. And then 3. Oh, we got a V-Star. Little V-Star. Bye-bye. And we're starting with a vacuum. I think it's trying to tell me something. Larry. Friend. Eggs. Little rat. Little fish. Ooh, Riolu. I really like that card. That's a sick card. Okay, another twofer. Another 2 for 1. See, that's why people love Crown Zenith, man. It's just... the pull rates are just so good. Like, they may not have, like, the most insane value, but, you know, that's not the point. The point is to have fun. And when you're constantly pulling stuff, it's fun. Weep. And then we got... okay. We got a dark type. Ooh, it's a steal. Ooh, I just like this pack because I paid retail for it, and I'm going to get a Tina out of it. Right? Flippin'. Nope. Okay. I'm going to be real upset if we don't get something we kind of like big, though, because I was going to keep these sealed and just kind of let them sit there and look cool on a shelf. But I ended up caving into opening it with all the stuff that, some Crown Zenith stuff I've been seeing, and then a buddy of me, and did I do the trick? A buddy and I were talking about cards we like, and his is Tina. So I was like, alright, I got some stuff. Showed it to him. He was like, open it, you won't. Well, and now I'm opening it, because apparently I won't. God damn. It's got 2 more chances. Still got a good chance to prove me wrong. I love being proved wrong when it comes to Pokemon, because it's always in a good way. Ooh, that one swooshed around. Weep. 1, 2, 3. Now we got lightning energy. It's a dark energy. Look at that. Wrong all the time. But I digest, because right here. Oh. Dang. Dang. Getting a little cooked. Getting cooked, chat. We're getting cooked. Fucking hell. I don't even know how this is opening up. Another boop. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then we get grass. Well, I was right. It is a grass type. And it is a grass energy. And then, okay, well, we could see it on the back. It's a Swablu. A pretty little Swablu. Adorable little guy. We got Moltres to come up in the back and save us, huh? He's what? He's doing what now? I don't think he can do that. Nice promo card. That for anybody who wants it. Beautiful promo card, actually. Not even nice. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. There we go. I don't know why my brain was just on something there, just making random noises and stuff. It's hard for me to sit down and talk for 10 goddamn minutes. I can't be programmed like that. Oh no, that pile's gone to hell. It's okay. It's fine. Because we get nothing here. A Rockruff into a Yamega. Alright, we got 4 packs left. 4 chances at gold. It's like the whole Schrodinger's cat thing. There's an infinite amount of Tinas and there's an infinite amount of no Tinas. You don't know until it's open. And then this one is going to be water. Ooh, look at that. I'm smart again. Great ball. Soul Rock Seal. Hey, Aaron. Ryu. Starling. Ooh, hey, that's a nice one. That's real nice. Look at that. Into just a normal holo. I love the way this card looks, too. Hey, good job. Good job, Crown Zenith. Giving me something nice. Making it hurt less that I'm opening all 3 of these tins. Oh no, who knows? Maybe with the whole MJ Holdings thing, I'll be able to find some more. Oh, another. Interesting. Turned the wrong way, but that's fine. That's typical American packaging right there for you. Hey, Aaron. Horrorfish. Scyther. Aggron. Ooh. Into double. 2 more. 2 more packs left. Come on. Let's get it. If I could open it, that'd be amazing. Weep. 2, 3. This one's going to be a lightning. It's a steel. That's fine. Ultra Ball. Galarian Meowth. Whalmer, that's me. Oh my god. What the hell happened to me? I'm dying. Somebody call 911. The whole deck is falling apart. Alright. Last pack of magic. Come on. Something big. Something big. Make this worth it. Fire, because this pack's going to be fire. It's psychic. Okay. Come on. Crocodile. Lunar Tone. Hey, Sun and Moon. Whalmer. Shinx. Harvesta. Oddish. Seal. Great Ball. Zamazenta V. Alright. I'm not sad, you're sad. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hits out of 15 packs. So it could have gone worse. So the Deancey's pretty cool. Some V's, some more Galleries. I like the Mareep. Riolu's pretty nice. Swablu's nice. The Magnezone is awesome. And then just another V. We got our cool promos. I really enjoy all 3 of these. I think they're beautiful. But let me know if you guys get anything good out of Crown Zenith whenever you open it. If you have anything good. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Go check out whichever channel this one isn't on, whether it's YouTube or TikTok. Go check that out. Helps me want to keep making these, you know. So, once again, thanks. Peace.